welcome to another video. This time we're doing a review on the Weeping Angel from I can't remember what it is. I think it's Flesh and Stone or something. You know what, I'm useless with memorising episode names, so you know what, just the Weeping Angel. Yeah, I think it's from the Flesh and Stone episodes, I'm not that sure, but here is the Weeping Angel. Oh, battle damage one, and the wings just went flying off. This figure comes with no accessories and is really cool. So let's get a close up of it and look at the details. Stay tuned. Right, we're back and we got this figure. He's really good, I suggest, and all the stone pieces on here look very, you know, stone looking and cracked. There's not much to this figure apart from the wings that come off. There's just a little joint there. Really? Detail is fantastic. I'm really glad with this figure. And now we'll go on to the articulation. The head does a 360. Arms do a 360 like that. Damn it, I'll just take the wings off for now. Arms do a 360 like that. You bend at the hinge. Do a 360, then wings. And do a 360 in the hands. The waist is a 360. Legs would do the splits, but the scared stone thing blocks it. The legs would, hold on a sec, would bend at the hinge, but this blocks it. The legs do not twist. The feet do 360 then. And if you had to say the wings as articulation, they both move side to side like that. Right, thanks for watching. Please, you know what? Thanks for watching. Please like, rate, and subscribe, and peace.